For the reflect and rotate tool, I'm going to do both of them. We're going to start with the rotate tool first. You have to make sure, so I have this object here. You have to make sure your object is selected. And the rotate tool looks like right here, looks like a arrow in a circle that's being rotated. What you do is you double click on it and a new box will come up. And what you'll notice is it'll have this like center source spot. So this is where it's going to rotate from. I always want to make sure that my preview button is checked. And then you can actually either start to rotate it. Okay, and I'll show you. And notice it goes around that center point. So it's this light blue dot right there, that anchor basically. And it rotates around that. You can put in the actual angle that you want it. And then you have two options. You can, one, push OK and it'll keep it rotated like this, or you can push copy, and what it'll do is it'll keep your original shape and it'll have this copied one. So I'm going to show you the copied one. Push OK. And now you'll notice we have two shapes. We have our original and then we have our rotated one. Okay. And then you have the reflect tool. So let me move this new shape down here. Go back and select my old shape, or my original. Underneath the rotate tool is the reflect tool. So click and hold down, grab your reflect. Again, it is going to reflect around this anchor. You can move that anchor. That's what you can do. So you see I moved it and clicked, it'll reflect it. So I could reflect it over here. Okay, move my anchor down here. I'm going to double click on my reflect tool, and then you can either reflect it horizontally, vertically, okay, it just goes right across, or you could do it at an angle. So I could reflect it at a specific angle. Again, you can push OK, or you can push copy to get your new original one and your newly reflected one. So that is the reflect and rotate tool.